I want to feel safe on public transport.
I want free childcare for all families in Wales.
I want apprenticeship opportunities that are not decided by my gender.
I want action to prevent sexual harassment.
Rydw i eisiau I addysg chwalu stereoteipio'r rhywedd.
I want better support for self-employed women.
Rydw i eisiau cyngor gyrfaoedd sy'n herio stereoteipiau rhywedd.
I want a diverse and representative Senedd.
I want a fairer Welsh benefit system.
Dydw i ddim eisiau I hawliau menywod y lithro nôl oherwydd Brexit.
We want all parties
To commit to placing gender equality
At the heart of their policies.
We now need deeds, not words.